This is a Camaro. I'm going to show you the immobilizer, original fob. The immobilizer fob. Car won't start now. Press it. Okay, it won't start. Now if I press the remote, now the car will start. Okay. So when you turn off the car, it'll automatically engage itself after 30 seconds. So you don't have to do anything when you exit the vehicle. Just get out of the car, close the door, and do whatever you were doing before. The system will automatically engage in 30 seconds. And so when you come back, if somebody closed the remote or they bust the window and they try to hook up a laptop through the OBD port and they try to get your car started, you don't have to worry about it. They're not going anywhere with it. We'll give it a little longer. Anybody out of state that will interested in doing this for your Camaro, or we have them for basically a lot of the vehicles, but if you have a Camaro and you want to get this done, feel free to give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Again, our numbers are 305-298-4814, and we can show you how to get this installed as soon as possible. I'm going to do this again. I'm going to go ahead and I'll give it a little longer. This is a DIY kit. Shouldn't take whoever buys it for shouldn't take no more than 15 minutes to do it. You know, we'll send you the installation video and everything, so you can do this yourself and get this and get your car protected and sleep a lot better at night, knowing that no matter what, your car is not going anywhere. They can break in and do whatever they want inside, but they're not taking off with your car. I'm gonna go ahead and start it again. It's not gonna start. Okay, see? Pressing the button, turn it off. What you do, you hit the fob here. The car will start right up. Okay. And this concludes the immobilizer for this Camaro. Again, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And if you ever take the car in to the dealer to get some work done or whatever, you can put it on the valet mode, which is pressing the bottom button, and you're able to start the car 10 times before it comes out of the valet mode. And if you get the car any sooner and you want to take it out of valet mode and you don't want to wait for the rest of the 10 times that it has left, you can hit top, and that will take it out of valet mode. And we thank you for watching this video.